What's going on, guys? Ryan here, Boselli Brothers Real Estate. Today we are going to be talking to my friend Curtis. We are in front of his triplex here in Somersworth, New Hampshire, and we're going to be talking about house hacking. Curtis, tell me about your unit.
It's a 3-unit. We have 2 single bedrooms upstairs. We have a 3-bedroom downstairs. Pretty not newer house, not an older house. It was built in early 1900s.
Okay. What is your PITI, principal, interest, taxes, insurance payment on the house? What is your mortgage?
So we pay $25.50 a month, and we have 2 units upstairs that are paying us rent as well. We have 1 unit upstairs that's paying us $12.50 a month, and another one that's paying us $9.50.
$12.50, $9.50.
And then we have to cover down on the rest.
Okay, so 25. So you guys end up paying what, $400 out of
Yep.
pocket, something like that.
Mm-hmm.
That's great. So he's living in the biggest unit downstairs, paying $400 out of pocket, and his tenants are paying $2,100 to $2,200 of his $2,500 mortgage payment. What do you have your mortgage locked in at?
2.3%.
2.3%. That's incredible.
Yeah,
That's awesome.
it was.
So
a
he's
struggle.
living every month now with a mortgage or a living expense of only $400. And what do you do with all the extra money that you're not spending on rent and or mortgage?
We're saving it right now so we can put it all back into the house so we can help grow.
Reinvesting it back in.
Reinvesting it back into the house.
What are you guys doing in terms of CapExes, capital expenditures, any kind of maintenance turns that you guys
Yeah,
done?
so right now, curbside appeal is a big thing. So what we've been trying to work on is we got one driveway completely finished over there. We're waiting to get the other driveway on the other side of the house done. We're redoing the porch right now because it needs a little bit of love. We have one of our contractors who's currently working on it. Upstairs, when we have a tenant move out or decide that they're ready to leave, just basic remodels. We bought the house. It was pretty much done when we got it, but there are some small things like some floor replacement, some wall replacement.
Okay, great. And what's the year? So 1,200. These are the same size units, the 1,200 and 900 ones. So that the $900 one's under rented. $1,200 ones.
Yeah.
Do you know what work you need to do to get that one up to the 1,200 standard?
Well, when you look at them comparatively, they're basically the same unit. They have the same things in it. The reason that one is because when we bought the property, they were already at such a low
Existing
rent,
tenant?
and he's an existing tenant. He's been there for about 5 years now. Whereas this tenant we're able to increase the rent of that unit
because that unit just turned over, correct? Yep. Now you have one unit that might be under rented, but you have a great tenant in there that pays every month like clockwork.
Yep, like clockwork.
Good. So that's kind of the give and take. You either can up your rent if you kick your tenant out, or try to raise the rent, or you can keep your tenant currently that you know is going to pay and is a good tenant at a lower rate. And it's kind of a pros and cons thing you got to weigh. All right. So you bought this property 2 years ago, right? Right before you went on deployment. How much did you pay for it?
Put no money down because we used a VA home loan.
So $0 out of pocket.
$0 out of pocket, yeah. And overall payment, I believe, was $412 for the property.
$412,000. We just ran comps on it just before this video, and it's coming in right about $470. So automatic equity, about $60,000 right away
Right
over 2 years. $0 out of pocket. So he only pays $400 out of pocket every single month. He has the equity gain, his loan pay down that his tenants are paying down his loan, and also he gets all the tax benefits of owning the real estate himself that the 2 tenants do not get that they're paying into his property. So seems like, again, house hacking, unbelievably powerful strategy. I want you guys to see it here first in a real life situation. He's doing this now currently, and he's looking to probably move out of this house, put a renter in his unit. The property will then cash flow. The biggest unit downstairs that he lives in is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. That one probably can rent for $1,800 about.
It will cover the cost of mortgage.
Oh, big time. It'll probably be $1,800. So you take that $1,800, now add it. You're now not paying the $400 anymore. You end up cash flowing $1,200, $1,400, $1,400 a month on this property. That is incredible. And then you can do it again and again and again and again. Guys, house hacking, such a powerful strategy. I'm glad we got to see a real life example.